If we examine the analytics, I believe we can shape our message to attract our target demographic most efficiently.
So we'll build a giant slingshot to shower the campus with neon-lit paper flyers.
I've designed a logo to best capture our branding strategy.
And I've designed a way to put the neon on the paper, maybe. Hopefully.
Notice the streamlined design, guaranteed to reach all markets.
Oh, and we'll get a flash mob to wear the logo on their shoes.
Perhaps an interview.
With horse masks.
No horse masks.
Or a blimp.
Any thoughts?
I have an idea.